guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode from me, your sis, your natural hair sis, Tam Cam. In today's video, I'll be talking about how blonde hair dye has messed up my natural hair. Yeah, so you guys, before we get started into this video, if you have not seen my videos before or seen my channel before, my name is Tam Cam. I do videos about natural hair, beauty, fashion, and other lifestyle videos as well. And if you're interested in those type of videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, that nice old red button down below. But we don't like it to be red, we want it to be great, okay? And click that bell button next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. Okay, so you guys, so like I said already, this video is pretty much about just how blonde hair dye has pretty much, I feel like, just messed up my natural hair over the years. And I'm just coming to a realization that it's really this color that's just not, my hair just not accepting it at all. If you do not know, I have been natural for pretty much, I believe, if not almost 10 years already. But I've been natural for 10 years, and when I first started becoming natural, I did dye my hair honey blonde a whole lot. Honey blonde was pretty much my go-to color of all times. My favorite color to dye my hair. It's just like so bright and vibrant. I just like how it transitions once your hair starts to grow out, and it pretty much just looks like this right now, which this is honey blonde. But for one point, I actually stopped dyeing my hair honey blonde and I actually went to red, and that was pretty much last year, 2019. That was actually last year, 2019, when I actually started dyeing my hair red. Was it starting? No, I actually started dyeing my hair red a little bit before that, but I really started dyeing my hair red last year in 2019. And I noticed like my hair was a little bit different, like as far as like how my color kept up and as far as how the health of my hair kept up when I did dye it red. Now before I did dye it red, I did not dye my hair for pretty much almost a year, just because after like doing the whole blonde phase and stuff like that, like I noticed that my hair would get like more dry at the ends, because I would just mainly dye my ends. Like every now and then, like when I would dye my hair, I would dye like from root to ends, but majority of the time it would just be pretty much like midway to the ends. So my ends of my hair was really processed and fried throughout my journey of my natural hair journey. I noticed when I did give my hair a break from doing the blonde hair and then transitioning to red after so many months of not dyeing it, it actually like, it wasn't damaged like it was compared to how it was with blonde. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like my journey that I'm trying to go through with 2020 with healthier hair, more length retention and longer hair, stronger hair, I feel like I really do need to let go of this honey blonde. I really do love the color. I really love the color, but I just feel like this color is just drying out my poor curls, and I feel like my curls don't even look the same. Yes, I did recently get a trim. I did post a video about, you know, how I did a silk press / trim recently in January, but I still feel like my ends, like, it's just not the same. Like for some reason, like my ends, like let's say like for right here, like from here where it's more lighter, like here is so much thinner compared to like up here. Like, and it's so weird. Like when I actually do my twists and stuff, like my twist outs, like you can tell like where my hair isn't processed compared to my processed hair. Like my ends of my hair, like it starts getting thin, the twists started getting thin, it started looking a little limp. It's not as like, the curl isn't as popping as it is at the top of my roots, and I'm not really feeling that no more. And like I said, I am trying to go on a better journey with my hair, healthier hair, longer hair, stronger hair. So therefore, I just really feel like I do need to leave this honey blonde alone. Now, one thing I also did notice, I've been watching a lot of different YouTubers that I do follow, and they actually been talking about how their journey with their honey blonde hair with a certain company that I actually did use in my video when I did my, I guess, the ombre from my blonde to what it was, red back here, and I actually use the same company. And then I see people talking about this company and I'm like, well, I use that too, and I'm having like the same situation. But I'm gonna still leave the video up because I've been using that company for a while, and I just feel like It's not the company per se, I don't think. I just feel like honey blonde in general is just, it's a really strong like color to transition from dark to light like that. And I just feel like it kind of just tears up your strands and take all the protein and the nutrients out of your hair, and it just turns it like limp. And I think, I don't know if this is true or not, but I actually heard that when you do dye your hair light like a honey blonde, it still continues to process over time. So that's why like when you first do your hair honey blonde, it still looks like, oh, it looks cute, it looks, you know, your curls are still popping. But after a while, like it just seemed like that same section starts to get thinner and thinner and limper. And I'm really starting to feel like that is what's going on with my hair, because my curls are just not the same, y'all. It is not the same. Like when I had red hair, and I don't know what it is with red versus blonde, but the red hair did not do my hair this at all. And I don't know if it was like, it didn't really bleach my hair. Like I used L'Oreal Technique. I think it was L'Oreal Technique, and it's their like collection of like red dyes or whatever like that, and it is good for dark, light, and gray hair. But I don't think it actually like lift up your hairs. I don't know what it do, but it just doesn't, it doesn't damage my hair as much as it do with honey blonde color, which I'm just not a big fan of. And I feel like with honey blonde, you have to do more deep conditions all the time. You have to moisturize more. And I understand that, you know, no matter what you dye your hair, you know, just processing your hair in general, it will cause some type of degree of damage. Yes, I am aware of that, but I just feel like with my history of doing different colors, blonde is like the worst color to actually go to, because that's where you get the most damage. The lighter you go, the worse it goes. That's how I really felt. When I went towards red, it's kind of like it's on a darker end, but it didn't really damage my hair as much as it did with this. So yeah, so I am due for my next trim. Well, I'm not due, but I am getting my next trim for my hair in the next 2 months, because I am going to go to my stylist. I am going to get my next trim 3 months from the time that I got my hair trimmed last time, which was in January. Not really, I can't really remember what specific date it was, but I will be getting it trimmed 3 months from then, just to keep up with the trim. And I just really want to just delete this blonde. I mean, it is so cute, no lie, but I just feel like my hair, like this here, like it's just so like, it's just a frizzy mess. And I just feel like also with the blonde, it just creates so much frizz I never had before. Like when I tell y'all, when my hair was darker, even before the red, when my hair was darker, like the curls used to be phenomenal, like phenomenal. And then like every time when I go light, it's like the ends is just like save me, sis, save me. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to save my curls, save my length if I can. But if I cannot, it's okay, because at the end of the day, healthy hair is more important than longer damaged hair. Okay, I never want to hold on to long damaged hair. I want to hold on to healthy hair in general, not damaged hair. So if I have to let, you know, majority of this go, which I don't think so, maybe like another couple inches or so, but hopefully by the end of the year, I will not have any more blonde in my hair. So my plan on length retention for this year is to pretty much just to not dye my hair, process my hair for the whole entire year. Hopefully I can keep it up. If I do not like keep up this promise, at least I will not do any type of blonde, because that is a specific color that I do not want to do ever again, like right now. Maybe when my hair gets a little bit longer, maybe, but if I do decide to dye my hair at all, it'll probably just be red. But blonde is pretty much out the question, because I haven't did blonde in over a year, and it was mainly because it will break off my hair, just cause dryness and just limpness. And then I did the red, and then something told me like, oh sis, the blonde looks so cute on you, let's try it again. And now I'm seeing why I left blonde alone. So we're gonna leave it alone again, and hopefully a little bit longer than we did before. So yeah, my advice to you guys, if you do decide doing your hair blonde or lighten it any type of way, I do decide to like at least get it done by a professional. At least maybe that'll probably be better. I did not get mine done by a professional at all. I actually used a box dye, which also I know a box dye is not really healthy for your hair at all, because it has like a whole lot of more chemicals compared to the other dyes. So yeah, so if you do want to dye your hair light, definitely do not do a box dye. Okay, I know it's cheap, $5, $6, $7. Let's not do it, sis. Let's not do it. Okay, so just go to your local professional hair salon, a licensed professional, not a kitchen beautician. Okay, we do not need none of those unless you're gonna get your hair braided. Then, you know, I don't care. But if you're gonna get your hair lightened, definitely do not go to a kitchen beautician, because we need healthy hair all this year and in the near future. Okay, so definitely go seek a professional, licensed professional. Okay, if you do decide to go down that route. But if you can hold out, just do not do it at all. Like, just stick with the natural colors, or just, you know, do the dark colors like the dark browns, the blacks, whatever like that. But I feel like those colors are a little bit more healthier, at least compared to like lightening up your hair next to like taking off layers off of your strands throughout the lightening process. So you guys, tell me if you actually lightened your hair before. Have y'all been having those situations with your hair as far as the limpness, the dryness, the stiffness? Go ahead and comment down below and tell me about how you've been combating those situations with dyeing your hair a lighter color, because a sis needs some help while I still have this light color in my hair, because I am so over it. So over it. But if you guys would have any type of advice that can help me throughout this process while I still have this blonde in my hair, go ahead and comment down in the comment box below and just help us out, as well as you can be helping out other naturalistas in the comment box below by just telling them advice to help me out. So you guys, if you did enjoy this video, and if you are having issues like I am having, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, sis. Okay, and if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Click the red button down below and turn it gray. Hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button to give you notified every time I want to post a new video. Bye guys.